Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem. Today I am going to lunch at the Orchid Garden. Been on the ship for a few days now, haven't tried it. I did try it on the getaway, had a fantastic time. Gonna try it here on the gem today for some lunch. I think I'm gonna try that orange beef. I always like that, and they have some really good fried wontons. At least they did on the getaway. Let's head up to Orchid Garden and see what they're serving up today. This is a complimentary restaurant, which means everything's included in the fare. I figured as long as we're heading to the restaurant, I might as well show you just a little bit of the ship on the outside of the deck and on the inside as well, and then we'll head on over to the Orchid Garden for a really nice lunch. Here you see the ship's wake as it moves forward very quickly. I can't imagine how much power it takes to move this ship. On embarkation day, one of the first things a ship does is take your photograph, and the ship uses facial recognition for lots of things, including just getting on and off the ship. But the ship also has photographers that take pictures during the entire cruise, and that facial recognition, I guess, comes in handy for them. You just swipe your room key in one of these kiosks and you can see pictures of yourself where you've been on the ship. Some people find it convenient and a nice touch, others find it very scary. This is the main atrium, and there's a game show going on, and I have a new weekend series, if you haven't checked it out. It started last weekend, of game shows on the ship here. If you want to play along, just tune in probably every Saturday with a pen and pad in hand. And here we are, we're approaching the Orchid Garden. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. I'm gonna get the fried pork pot stickers with the ginger soy dipping sauce, as well as orange peel beef, which comes with fresh orange peel and spicy sauce. That's pretty vague. but sounds delicious nonetheless. I love pot stickers, and they can be steamed, but I really do like them fried like these. With this dipping sauce, they're just delicious. These are pork, by the way. Everything just looks and smells delicious. The fried rice does have eggs in it, but I just push them aside. This is coconut tapioca pudding with spiced mango and orange syrup. I really do like tapioca. What about you guys? Leave a comment below. If you're enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the New York channel while you're at it. It really does help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button underneath the video. I do appreciate your support, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.